Every time I come here, I leave with key pointers and guidance for me to move forward in my vision.
Really understanding the structure of how to go about, and I learned some things today. Obviously getting with the board and understanding the budget that we need, how to project out for not just 1 year, but long term, and then being able to learn how to do, small donations versus large donations and how to structure that.
It was a great introduction overall to starting a nonprofit, but also had key pivotal focus points.
I don't think there's a value you can put on that, because when you're trying to figure things out, just being able to be able to get some education on it is pretty good. I mean, for me, I know just trying to find my way through this has been very helpful.